Welcome to Learn English Online with Isla. In this video, we're going to talk about how to describe feelings in English. In this video, we're going to go through adjectives to describe feelings and how to describe feelings in a sentence in English. Happy. I am happy. I am happy when things are going good for myself. I am happy. Sad. I am sad. I feel sad when bad things happen and I get upset and down. Excited. I am excited. I am excited when it's my birthday and I'm going to get lots of presents. I'm excited for good things to happen. Worried. I am worried. I am worried when I've got an exam, or I'm worried when I've got to do something new and I don't know what to do. Okay. I am okay. I am okay when I am good, when everything's okay, I am fine. Scared or frightened. I am scared when I am in danger. Maybe it is dark and someone is chasing me. I am scared and frightened. Confused. I am confused when I don't understand something or I don't know what's going on. I am confused. Stressed. I am stressed. I am stressed when I've got lots of work to do, I've got lots of things happening, maybe I'm worried about something, there's lots going on and I feel under pressure. I am stressed. Tired. I am tired when I want to go to sleep, when I've had a late night and I need some sleep. I am tired. To use these words, we need to put them into a sentence. So we can use I am happy, he is, she is, it is, or they are. I am happy. I am sad. He is worried. She is excited. They are scared. It is okay. So what next? How can you improve your knowledge of feelings? Well, you could watch the video again. You could practice saying sentences, or you could write sentences of your own. Thanks for watching Learn English Online with Isla. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.